You could do this, or this, and even this. With this Radley pressure washer comes equipped with a 30-foot hose, 21-inch wand, and never flat wheels, and includes 5 quick connect nozzles. Lock both wheels in place with the cotter pin. Secure and tighten the foot onto the frame. Attach the handle to the unit and the spray gun holder to the frame. Remove the air filter housing and elements. Soak the foam filter in clean engine oil, gently squeeze, and then pat out all excess oil and reinstall. Add fuel until the level reaches 1.5 inches below the top of the neck. Assemble the spray wand and secure to the spray gun. Attach the end of the high-pressure hose to the high-pressure outlet on the pump and secure tightly on both ends. Connect the garden hose onto the pump. Connect the other side to the outdoor tap. Do not use a hose longer than 50 feet. Turn on water supply to full. Purge the air from the pump until there's a steady stream of water and no air coming through. Open the fuel lever and turn the choke lever to the start position. Turn the engine power switch to the on position and pull the recoil starter. Let the engine run for several seconds and then slowly turn the choke lever towards the run position. Flip the safety lock back to the lock position, turn the engine power switch to off and the fuel lever to the closed position, and turn off the water supply. Unlock the spray trigger and depressurize the system by squeezing the trigger until the water stops flowing. Select and attach the nozzle to the spray wand. Be sure to refer to the manual for projects each nozzle is recommended for. Before storing, drain any excess water from the hose, wipe down the unit with a cloth, and store in a dry place until your next project.